Welcome to Renishaw. Over here, as you can see, this is a typical XY stage. And what we're trying to do is to demonstrate Renishaw's XM60 multi-axis calibration system, which is really used to carefully characterize the 6 degrees of freedom errors in one single setup. Okay, so this is our laser system, XM60 launch, and along with a receiver, that's all you need. And it will characterize as it goes along the XY stage over the full travel, or roughly about 1000 millimeters over here, and it will fully characterize all your translational and rotational degree of freedom. If you can come with me over here, on this screen, it actually shows the numerical value. As it moves along the x-axis, okay, it will show the other 5 degrees of freedom. And the typical application for this will be, for example, a semiconductor wafer or a phone display. So during the process, you want to make absolutely sure that it's traveling precise position you wanted. Okay, in this direction, the angular changes, etc. Because as you can see, these pixels and the semiconductor density are getting finer and finer. We are talking about microns, okay, 1 micron or less. Therefore, you need to consider every degree of freedom, all the errors, in order to reach that precise precision. Let me show you how the machine actually achieves precise position feedback. And this is through encoders. As you can see over here, this is our absolute open type optical encoder. And along this side, this is our enclosed FORTiS series encoder. Okay, these are typically used in more hostile environment where you have maybe dust or oil mists, coolants, etc. Okay, so let me now take you to the display. This is our RESOLUTE and EVOLUTE series open optical encoder. These are currently probably one of the most premium absolute systems in the market, where it can be used with ribbon tape scales or spar scales or our ZeroMet. Okay, very low expansion coefficient scales, and along with also rotary scales for theta axis, which you can just see just now. Okay, and over here, this is our FORTiS enclosed encoder series. Okay, and as I mentioned earlier, if you have a lot of coolants or mists, oils or flux, typically used in semiconductor environment, these are very good at protecting the scales, from contamination. Okay, so these are enclosed subsystems.